Ever wondered how AutoMind actually works? Let's go behind the scenes and I'll show you how your car goes from flashing a warning light to a plain English diagnostic report on your phone in just a couple of minutes. Step 1. Collecting data. When you plug in your AutoMind dongle, it connects to your car's onboard computer. That's where all the fault codes are stored, the same codes garages see when they run computer diagnostics. Step 2. Adding context. Here's where AutoMind gets smarter than a basic code reader. You'll answer a few yes or no questions about the symptoms. The sort of questions a mechanic would ask. Things like, have you noticed a reduction in MPG? And is there a loss of power? You can even add any additional extra detail you may deem relevant. These answers give the AI context that a normal scanner just doesn't have. Step 3. AI analysis. Our AI takes the fault codes, your answers, and our 2 years of specialist training data, then analyzes all that data the way an educated mechanic would. It looks for patterns, checks for common causes, and links everything together. Step 4. The report. Instead of spitting out cryptic codes, AutoMind creates a clear, plain English report. It explains what's happening, tells you if it's safe to keep driving, highlights what's urgent, and, crucially, even advises what the mechanic should check or do next. Step 5. You're in control. With this report in hand, you can walk into any garage knowing what's going on. You'll understand your car, you'll know what to expect, and you won't be blindsided into paying for unnecessary repairs. That's the magic of AutoMind. Simple for you, powerful, and always working to put you the driver back in control. If you haven't got your free AutoMind dongle yet, head to goautomind.com and claim yours today. Until next time, happy driving AutoMinders.